Oh my gosh, it's finally here. Let's go ahead, without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Oh my goodness. It is after 4, it's almost 5 o'clock, y'all. Okay, here we go. Hope I'm in frame. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Wow. Here it is. I did get in the product red, 256 gigabytes. Yes. Without further ado, let's go ahead and unwrap this. Here we go. This is my first. Oh, whoa. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. That's a beautiful red. Wow. Okay, let's come back to this. All right, see what we got inside. Designed by Apple in California. Let's see what's in here. We got a product red leaflet. And it's saying in partnership with Red, Apple will contribute a portion of your iPhone purchases and so forth. If you want to read it, you can go ahead and read it there for yourself. Oh my goodness. Hello. And you got a Sense tool. You got product safety and handling, and you got your Apple stickers, which is a bummer. I was hoping it would be red. But other than that, okay, cool. All right, so we got the headphones, the wall charger, and the charger itself, the lightning cable. We didn't get the fast charging thing, but it's okay. It's all good. It's all good in the neighborhood. Let's get back to this iPhone. This is the iPhone 11 non-Pro, but look at that back. Beautiful. Let's go ahead and peel off the sticker here. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Uh-oh. Do I have any power? Do I have any juice? There we go. Took a minute there, didn't it? But guys, this is my unboxing of the iPhone 11 product red. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up, comment below, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. All right, guys, I love you. Toodles.